The resident of a remote hamlet in West Bengal situated near Indo-Bangladesh border who were once compelled to drink arsenic contaminated groundwater have found a way out of their problems. The villagers are now purifying water from ponds and selling packaged safe drinking water to neighbouring villages using an innovative technology from France. Village Cooperative Society Madhusudhan Kati Samobai Krishi Unnayan Samiti has constructed a water purification project which converts contaminated pond water into safe drinking water.